would love some. The chili cook-off contestant number 1, Dax Ryder Horning, with his Is it spicy?
I have a secret ingredient, but I'm not going to tell you.
I see. So it has meat and beans and what else? Onions?
A couple onions, some peppers.
Hot peppers?
Not spicy here as well. Got the decoration, bread, got the regular bread, and of course the chili. I mean, it's a chili cook-off.
Very nice. You made this by yourself?
Yes. It took me 3 to 4 hours to make.
Oh, wow.
But I bet it's really good.
And you made it right in a crock pot?
Yes. Well, I made it in a separate bowl. Not a bowl, but you know.
Pot and pan?
Yeah.
And then you put it in a crock pot.
So, yeah, I put it in a crock pot.
In the hills of Tennessee, across the to Texas,
Now I am.
from sea to shining sea, from Detroit down to Houston, New York to